Hi, it's been a while. Months. October, I think, was the last one when I went on the beach. It is now Easter 2025. Although I'm editing and posting this video in November, this was filmed 7 months ago. So I am taking you back in time, but I hope you enjoy it. Wild Camp number 5. The only thing I'm not taking you for is a wee in the bush. We're here at the lay-by. Let me see if I can pronounce this. Cerrig Gleisiad. I'm going to learn how to pronounce Welsh by the phonetics of the lettering, because I want to be able to pronounce things properly. All right, let's get on with it. It's always embarrassing when there's people around. I'm going to be huffing and puffing, carrying all of this, walking up there, going past people and going, hello. A wild and craggy place that's home to some Arctic survivors. I'm already pooped and I've been walking for 3 minutes. It's a lovely waterfall, she says, pretending to look at the waterfall for this long, but really it's just the lactic acid in my calf muscles that I'm trying to alleviate. My body's just going, ugh, we haven't done this for a while. Quick, send out the lactic acid, soldiers. Anti-clockwise, going against the rules. Slow and steady is the way for me. And I need some mini egg energy. Wants us to go down and then up again. I'm just moaning because it's been so long and I'm not fit enough for it. I'll stop moaning, I promise. Need another one. Onwards and upwards. Do I have the stamina to mount this one? That's what I'm meant to do. Whether or not I will be able to, I don't know. And that's the steep descent. I should slow down on the mini eggs. I've eaten more than half already. Anyway, let's get going. I've wandered off the main path and I'm realising that it's a bit ambitious of me to think that I can hike carrying wild camp weight up a mountain. So what I've done is I found a little bit of like a worn path, you can see. So I think it's where people do a shortcut, and there's loads of molehills and rabbit poo. So I'm not going to be on my own. There's a little sort of divot, like a flattish divot here. So I think that I'm going to put my tent somewhere like around here. And look, I've got a little friend over there. Can you see him? Sorry to be in your territory. The weather in this area is 0% chance of rain. I do like the look of that. Just over 3 hours till the sun goes down. Right, I've got a nice beer, I've got reindeer stew, and I've got soup, and I've got lemon curd, hot cross bun. What more could a person want on a wild camp, eh? There's a beautiful tree there. I do love a lone tree, and it's quite straight, which tells me that it's not too windy. So, one tent. I don't know how I'm going to put these in because there's no rocks. Once I have these, I have everything I need to put up my tent. Has that helped? Yes. Yes, it has. Because there's a little ridge here that will stop me from rolling down the hill onto my sheep friends. Okay, it's enough faffing. Let's do it. It's not looking too bad. Feels really straight. And it's low to the ground, so if there is wind, I should be okay. It's a nice view. And I've pegged these separately so that when I go in, I can just have one side up. So I think everyone's gone. Just me, the sheep, and the sound of the road. Right, let's get my sleep system in there. Now for my little pumpy bright orange pillow. Okay, we have a pillow. Stick that up in the hood. You're upside down. Alright, let's get the rest of the stuff. Take a seat, Elaine, take a seat. This is the best way to do it. Yes, it is. Tenty stuff can go in the tenty bag. Where have I put the tenty bag? Right, I need to eat my dinner. Reindeer stew. That's what it looks like. I realised I wasn't recording for any of that. Basically, what you missed was me excitingly boiling water, and then, so exciting, I poured it in here up to the fill line. At the moment, it's sealed up and it's going to take 8 minutes, so Swiss Army knife to the rescue. Oh yeah. Let's go look at the view. Oh, my friends have gone. So this is wild camp number 5. Here's my friend. Hi. What are you doing up there? I thought you were going to come down here and keep me company. Just going to make me drink alone, are you? He looks tempted. Time for reindeer stew. Will I like it? I don't know what it reminds me of. It just tastes like smoky jerky with mashed potato. There's some sort of citrus in there. It's good. I like it. My friend is here. And I swear that he just made a noise at me so that I would turn around, and he was looking at me. Just to say, I'm here. Time to get cosy. So, I've got my tent all set up. I feel like you need to go over there a little bit. The sky's a little bit pink, not majorly. Maybe I will take a little video of it. Yeah. I'll show you the shot I'm getting. And it's quite nice. It's a nice sky. And yeah, this is my view. There's you. And there's the view. You and the view. You to me, to you, to me, to you. I do love these kind of high neck things because they cover up my chubby double chin I have at the moment from a lack of exercise. Should I put this on? Is that better? A roll, a brown roll to go with some soup. This is a Heinz cream of chicken soup, which is, I think, a year out of date. I didn't bring my glasses, so I'll just do my old person hack. Take a picture of it and zoom in. Yes, January 2024. It is a year and 4 months out of date. But who cares? Who cares? It's dried. We've still got some of that water. Oh, what am I going to eat it in? I guess in here. What can I eat the soup in? Would it be weird to eat the soup out of this? I mean, it's a container, isn't it? It's full of mashed potato, but that might just add to it. Is this gross? Or is it genius? I'm going to go with genius because it's much better for my self-esteem. Calling yourself a genius is not good for your self-esteem. It will inflate your ego. So I will call myself adequate. Good enough. Isn't it beautiful? Like, it actually looks better in my phone than in real life. It's bringing out lots of pinks, which are a lot less vibrant to the naked eye, but still there. And even that sky looks great. I love moody skies. But I just don't want to get soup in there and ruin my coffee in the morning. So, just have to think outside the box. There we go. Doesn't take very long with the MSR. Is this going to be a really silly idea? Probably. Because that's what happens when I do things. It's looking okay. Stir it with a spork. And it means that all that bits of mashed potato left on the side are all going to go in it too. Bits of the stew. It really cleans out the packaging. Well, this might be a trick that I'll use in the future. Maybe a little bit more water, but not loads. It's a musical instrument. Okay. I'm going to have to tip it to dip it. Tip it to dip it. Smells weird. Sleep time. Wild camp number 5. Saturday into Easter Sunday, 2025. And a few weeks away from getting the keys to my house in South Wales, which will mean that I can do this much more, loads more, and with ease. Bon nuit, good night, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.
It's Easter Sunday morning. I've got my coffee. What's missing? My hot cross bun. So, time to have my hot cross bun. Savoury, savoury all the way. It marks the sparks. And they are extremely lemony. I love anything lemony. Curd-filled hot cross buns. Curd-filled. Mmm. Thumbs up, Marks and Spencer's. All of the clouds are just slowly travelling across the valley there. And it's so pretty. There is somebody climbing. So that tells me that the human species are waking up and coming out of their little hovels. And I should put my tent down. Hey, Bumblebee. What flowers are you after? I can't see any. Right, we're packed. And it's lighter because the beer bottle's empty and the water bladder's empty, so it's lighter. I feel rejuvenated. Yesterday I kind of gave up early, but I'm warming up to doing these things again. So I'm going to use my sticks this time because I really need to look after these knees of mine. These are all training and practicing sessions to improve all sorts of skills, camping skills and filming skills. Look at the view. Goodbye. Goodbye. I would say goodbye to my friend, but I've not seen her and her little baby today. Maybe I'll see them down there. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. And I want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you who joined my channel after I posted my video about why I'm moving to Wales. This was 7 months ago, as I said, and I did have another wild camp that I filmed, and that will be posted in the next few weeks. And now that I am settled in my home in South Wales, there will be more videos to come. I really hope you join me. And my parting word for this one? Diolch.
Calling yourself a genius is not good for your self-esteem.